demonstration of media security. This is an advanced system that helps the user to hide his private or the confidential data in an encrypted way. The system encrypts the data and saves on the database, which helps the user in two ways. The data is encrypted with the user's key, so it can only be decrypted by him. Even if his mobile is lost, he can have his data just by logging into app in some other phone. As you can see at the bottom, we have three options: the privacy policy, the authentication, and the home. The privacy policy is the guidelines about the media security. Authentication is for login and to create account. Let's click on the create account. This is the sign up page, and you have to provide your username, email ID, password, and the private key. This private key is basically used to encrypt and decrypt your data, and you have to enroll your biometric. When you click on this set fingerprint, the biometric authentication prompt will appear, and you have to enroll your biometric. Then you will create your account. Since I have already logged in, so let's register with the old user. Login successfully. If you click on the home, the biometric authentication prompt will appear. If you provide the wrong authentication, it will not recognize. If you provide the right authentication, then it will open the home. As you can see, the system divides the phone contents into the contacts, images, files, and the videos to simplify the user work. If you click on the contacts, as you can see, I have already encrypted few contact numbers. If you click on anyone, it will ask you to enter a private key. Click OK, then it will decrypt your contacts. If the user do want to save the contact, he can just click on any number, and the system redirected this number to the phone's default dialer. If you want to add a new contact, as you can see at the top right corner, there is an options menu. Click on the add, and the system's default contact will open, and it will ask you to choose a number. For example, if I click on this number, as you can see, the number is uploaded. It means that the contact is encrypted and it has been saved on the database. Same way with the images. When you click on the images, I have already encrypted two images. Let's decrypt these images. Enter the private key, click OK, and it will show you your decrypted images. If you click on the image, it will be visible in the new activity, and you can perform the zoom in and the zoom out operations. Same way with the files and the videos. Let's click on the videos. Let's decrypt this video. Enter your private key, click OK, and it is loading your decrypted video in the video view. As you can see, the video is playing. Okay, so same way with the files. I have already encrypted two documents. Let's decrypt these documents. Documents are decrypted. When you click on this link, it will open your document in the Google Drive. The document is open in the Google Drive. Now, as you can see in the authentication, at the top right corner we have the options menu, in which we have two options: the general information and the logout. The general information is only accessible by the user, and it will appear the biometric authentication prompt. After the successful authentication, the user information will appear, in which you have the information about the username, email, password, and the private key, and you can also change your password. And you can also log out your account. If you forget your password, enter your email here, click on the forgot password button, and it will send you the email to reset your password. I am refreshing my mails. As you can see, I have received an email from the media security. When you click on this link, it will open the browser, and you can reset your password. This is all about the media security. The technologies that I have used in the media security is the Android Studio and the Firebase, and the future modification is the encryption of messages of the system's default messaging app and the WhatsApp chats and the Instagram chats. Hope you like this media security application. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.